Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, August 3, 2023. The markets sold off yesterday. We had our largest decline in several weeks, closing down near the lows of the session after kind of a gap and go type of session to the downside. So we're going to take a look at a pattern based upon selling off. I've got all four instruments selected here. Our setups based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, the overnight session continues to be weak. We are trading below the prior day low at the moment, so I'm going to add that to the test by going to the opening area, clicking equals next to open below prior day low. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library, and I'm going to describe yesterday's price action. I'm going to do it using one of the unique moves. Going to be this bottom option down here, day after largest decline in 20 days. So that is measured by the close to close move. So yesterday's close versus the close from 2 days ago. And that was the largest decline in at least 20 sessions, actually more than that, but that's looking at least 20 sessions back. And then I'm going to go to the indicators library and say that we closed below a 10. I'm going to grab that there from the active today. I know we closed above a 200. If I scroll down, you'll see it. There it is. I've got both of those selected, and now I can click view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when opening below the prior day low, when the prior day was the largest decline measured on a close-to-close basis in at least 20 trading sessions, and closed below a 10 but above a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, 39 samples here in the S&P. We've got 31 in the NASDAQ, 42 in the Dow, 39 in the Russell. If we look at the win rates on them, pretty mixed. S&P, 54% of those closed above the opening print. For the NASDAQ, it's 61%. For the Dow, 48%. For the Russell, 56%. If we look at the average moves, the average move to the downside sizably larger than the average move to the upside. In the S&P, the NASDAQ is the opposite, much larger average moves to the upside. The Dow and Russell both have larger average moves to the downside. So very mixed pattern. I don't see a consistent bias here anywhere. They are kind of all over the place, with NASDAQ being the strongest of the group. This is the NASDAQ equity curve right there. And the Dow probably the weakest of the group, but those are kind of mixed. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.